Good morning, guys. I hope all of you are doing fine. So, before I start, I have a question for all of you. Have you ever heard of the man who once used to live in a small apartment, but his love for his dreams, his love for automobiles made him a billionaire, and now he's one of the most successful persons in the world? Yes, I'm talking about Elon Musk. Now let's imagine something. Imagine a young Elon Musk sitting in his small apartment sketching designs for electric cars, surrounded by skeptics who believed that electric cars could never be made. The time was 2003 and Tesla was just an idea. An idea so big that it seemed abnormal to many people. But still, Elon Musk started small and built his first single prototype, which was the Tesla Roadster, a car extremely fast and aerodynamic, but still extremely efficient and smooth. That small dream is now worth trillions, redefining the automobile industry. Let's take another example. Do you know who is Walt Disney? Well, even if you don't know him, I'm pretty sure that you are known to one of his most popular creations. Walt Disney is the creator of Mickey Mouse, one of the most loved cartoons of the world. The fun fact is, just before he had created Mickey Mouse, he was fired from his company for lack of imagination. That's ironic, isn't it? Because just after getting fired, he created one of the most unique cartoons of the world. So, did you notice something in common between the two examples I presented in front of you? If not, then let me tell you. Both of them dreamed big. Both of them started small. Both of them started alone. They failed, they tried, they fell, they got up, and now they are the inspiration of many people. So, believe me, friends, the first step is the hardest. But once you take it, the process becomes easy. The process becomes enjoyable. The process becomes passion. The process becomes your whole life. There is no particular age to pursue a dream. Dreaming big is the best capability of human beings. You will not succeed in your first attempt. Nobody does. Let's go back to the two examples I gave you. Walt Disney's first company failed miserably. In fact, it failed so bad that he went bankrupt. But did that stop him? No, not at all. In fact, it made his urge to succeed even stronger. So believe in yourself, because you and only you know what your real latent potential is. Failure is not the end. It is the proof that you are trying. Don't blame anyone for your failure. What I am trying to say is, don't blame your teachers for the tough exams. Don't blame your parents for the pressure. Instead of wasting your time and blaming others, utilize it by preparing for the worst of the worst situations. Don't boast about yourself. Let your success roar in the ears of your haters. People will taunt you, but don't listen to them. They are the people who don't even know their own real potential. So tell me, how can they judge what your real potential is? When Disney's first company failed, he did not blame anyone. He simply shifted to Hollywood and started all over again. When Tesla faced quantity, quality, and production issues, Elon Musk did not just sit with his hands tight. Instead, he visited each and every factory, talked to each and every worker, even slept on the factory floor for months, and brought his company back on track. That is how achievers are made. And now, Tesla is again playing in the major leagues. Everybody knows how many times Thomas Alva Edison failed. But let's take a different example. Harland Sanders, the CEO and founder of KFC. He was not a born millionaire. In fact, his first restaurant failed miserably. But you know what he used to say about his failures? He said, each and every no brought me closer to a yes. What I'm trying to say is, be an optimistic person, not a pessimistic person. Have a positive approach for every situation in your life. The whole motive of my speech is, whether you want to be a lawyer, an architect, an artist, an engineer, or the next Elon Musk, remember, each skyscraper began with one brick. Each marathon starts with one hard step. Each veteran was once a rookie who chose not to quit and waited until the world said, that kid actually made it. Stop saying someday, start saying day one. So dream big, ridiculously big, and then start small, start humble, start extremely small, but daily. Try, fail, learn, rise, repeat. This should be your daily cycle. Guys, life is this, and I like this. Never say, I always win. Just say, I don't remember myself losing the last time. And your story, it's just getting started. So go and take that first step now. Thank you.